very proudly when I came to Lipton, there were certain things which I feel sitting now are a must for every organization. I'll name a few: having a daycare, having a separate namaz area for women, having a pick and drop facility, making sure that travel becomes flexible for women, especially those with younger children, having flexi hours for women. I think all of those, having a certain percentage or ratio women representation at every layer of a hierarchy. I think those are things when we sit in 2025, I don't think any company should be awarded a prize for that. Personally, when I look back upon the last 4 years, on Lipton, as a woman CEO, the proudest that I am of is an initiative that we call Women's Career by Choice.
When I joined this company, I could not work full time. I have 2 young kids. मैं जब फरहीन के पास आई थी, I told her कि मुझे कुछ flexi policy के हवाले से दे दी. Then she told me about this Career by Choice initiative that Lipton has. And I've been working at Lipton since 2022 based on Career by Choice.
Career by Choice is for women who, at any stage of their life, maybe they're young women, young moms, maybe they are, a young wife, maybe they want to study more, maybe they have a child that needs more support at home, maybe they have an old parent that needs more support at home. Those women who still have a lot of capability and still want to achieve a lot and just don't have the hours in a day to be able to do a 9 to 5 are very proudly represented at Lipton. There are 2 of those women who actually did full-fledged jobs. The only conversation between the company and those resources were, what are the deliverables for your job? Career by Choice, when I look back on the last 4 years of my leadership span on Lipton, has been something that we have proven in Lipton can work, has worked, and in fact, in some pockets of my organization, it's worked better than having women or men work 9 to 5, for the business. So I think it's a very unique proposal for a lot of companies. Lipton would love to teach and talk more about that and tell other companies in the industry on how they can step up and actually accept women who are dying to contribute, to their own families, to their own livelihoods, as well as to the industry, as well as to businesses around, and just don't find those opportunities.